Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up your shipping rates on Shopify. Shipping is one of the unglamorous but crucial things that every e-commerce company has to deal with. No matter what size you are, you want to do it well for yourself and for your customers. Shipping is one of the things that you need to do in fulfilling a physical order. After you've set up your shipping zones for the destinations where you want to ship your products, you can think about the methods you'll use to get your customers' order to them. You can offer several shipping options for a zone so your customers can choose from a range of delivery speeds and costs. So let us walk you through on how and where to set up those shipping rates. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Access your Shopify admin. Visit www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click Settings located at the bottom left of the Shopify admin and select Shipping on the grid. Scroll down to the shipping rates at checkout section. We already have a shipping rate set up here. This is for domestic and international shipping. Let's walk you through in setting this up. Click the Add Shipping Zone link. Indicate the zone name. This is an internal labeling for you to easily recognize the shipping zone. Next is to add a country. Click the Add Countries button and choose the countries and where you want to ship the item. You can also check Rest of the World if you wanted to ship it worldwide. Set up your rates. The first option is to set up a price-based rates. Click the Add Rate button to set up the rates. Name the shipping type. Your customers will see this at checkout. Indicate the minimum order price. It is up to you if you want to specify a rate or offer free shipping for your customer. Just click the Done button to save the changes. The second option is to add a weight-based rate. Name the shipping type. Indicate the minimum order weight or the maximum order weight. It is up to you if you want to specify a rate or offer free shipping for your customer. And lastly, click the Done button to save the changes. The third option is to add a calculated rate. You need to select a shipping carrier. Each carrier has different shipping rates. Indicate the service for the shipping. It is up to you if you want to charge extra for handling and packaging or give discounts for your customers. You'll probably want to define some different shipping rates for your store depending on how many choices you want to offer to your customers. You can also offer free shipping to promote your products. Once you're done, just save your changes. The shipping rates you charge have a direct impact on sales. It is important to take the time to know your options and choose the one that's right for your store. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!